If you're planning a trip across North America, whether that's the US, Canada, or both, having one eSIM that works seamlessly in multiple countries saves a lot of time, money, and hassle. And a great option to consider is Saily's North America eSIM. I've added a 15% discount link in the description that works for all Saily plans worldwide, so if you choose Saily, make sure to use that link before checkout to save extra. Here's why this regional plan makes sense for North America. You only install the eSIM once, and it works in both the United States and Canada. That means no swapping SIMs at the border, no new plans, and no roaming charges, just smooth data everywhere you go. Setup is easy. Install the eSIM before you travel, and it activates automatically when you land. Perfect for airport navigation, ride apps, hotel check-ins, and staying connected on the road. When it comes to pricing, the regional plan is still affordable. The entry plan starts at $5.99 USD, ideal for a short visit or light app use. For most travelers, the 5GB plan at $23.99 USD offers the best value, comfortably covering maps, social media, and everyday browsing. If you need more, there's a 10GB option for longer or data-heavy trips. Add the 15% discount, and it becomes an even better deal. Every purchase also earns you 3% back in Saily credits, which you can use toward future trips. If you travel more than once a year, those credits start to add up. Saily is trusted globally, with a 4.7 out of 5 rating from over 97,000 reviews on the App Store and Google Play. Travelers consistently praise how quick the setup is and how reliable the connection feels. Plus, Saily includes helpful built-in extras like an ad blocker and web protection to stretch your data further and make browsing safer. So, if you want one reliable eSIM that covers both the US and Canada without the usual roaming costs, Saily's North America eSIM is a smart choice. Use the link in the description to grab 15% off any Saily plan worldwide.